Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. There are 4 reliable ways to do this, and I'll walk you through each so you can choose what fits your comfort level and setup. First up is using custom CSS, which I recommend for most users because it's safe, quick, and easy to reverse. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Customize, and open Additional CSS. Here, paste a small rule that targets your theme's date element, often something like entry date or posted on, and set it to not display. Because class names vary by theme, you might inspect your post page using your browser's developer tools to confirm the selector. Publish your changes, then refresh your site and clear any caching to see the result across posts and archives. If you'd rather not touch CSS, a plugin can handle this for you. Head to Plugins, add New, and search for a tool such as Hide, Remove Metadata, or WP Date Remover. Install and activate your chosen plugin, then go to its settings, usually under Settings or directly from the plugin list, and enable the option to hide the publish date. Save your changes and review a post to confirm. Plugins are convenient, but keep an eye on compatibility with your theme and updates for long-term stability. For advanced users who want full control, you can modify theme files directly. Before you do anything, create a child theme or back up your site. Editing core theme files can be risky and updates may overwrite your changes. Go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Locate the template that outputs post details, often single.php, content single.php, or files inside a template parts folder. Look for code that prints the date, commonly functions like the underscore time, or the underscore date. Comment out or remove that snippet, then update the file. Test several posts and templates to make sure the date is gone everywhere. Finally, you can remove the date from your URLs by adjusting permalinks. This changes the link structure only, it won't hide dates displayed on the page. Go to Settings, then Permalinks, and choose a structure that doesn't include the date, such as post name. Save changes. If your site already has dated URLs, set up redirects so old links continue to work and your SEO remains intact. Choose the method that matches your technical comfort and needs. For most sites, custom CSS or a plugin is the safest and fastest path. Always review your changes, clear caches, and consider testing on a staging copy before going live. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.